Ever wondered whether coffee grounds can actually benefit your garden? It's a question many people ask, and today we'll explore the truth behind this popular gardening hack. The idea of using coffee grounds in your garden is often presented as an eco-friendly and resourceful solution. However, there are two significant reasons why you might want to think twice before sprinkling your post-brew waste on your flower beds. Firstly, the proclaimed benefits of coffee grounds have been greatly overstated. You may have come across videos asserting that coffee grounds can ward off all sorts of pests and slugs. But the reality? When we look at actual experiments and research, the results tell a different story. To keep slugs and bugs at bay, you might consider piling up coffee grounds. Yet the moment you do, you're essentially setting up a cozy haven for mold to thrive. Caffeine, while reputed to exterminate pests and slugs, can also be harmful to plants. Research has shown that caffeine can inhibit plant growth and delay seed germination. Moreover, coffee grounds can acidify the soil, leading to ecological disruption. The second point to ponder is the complexity of using coffee grounds correctly. They can rapidly alter the soil's composition and acidify it, potentially damaging the soil ecosystem. A sudden increase in nitrogen content, though seemingly beneficial, can obstruct the absorption of other nutrients, weaken plant tissues, and increase susceptibility to diseases and pests. Hence, experts recommend not mixing more than 10 to 20% of coffee grounds into the soil. Even then, the grounds should be thoroughly mixed. Larger quantities can promote mold growth, which isn't always harmless to plants or humans. Not all molds are beneficial, and controlling which type you might encourage with coffee grounds is impossible. In the professional farming world, the use of coffee grounds is rare, irrespective of the farming method. The process is not as straightforward as it seems, and the potential risks often overshadow the benefits. If you're considering using coffee grounds, ensure they're well mixed with a large amount of soil or composted with other organic materials. As for directly applying them to your garden or around your plants, it's best to steer clear. To conclude, it's important to remember that gardening is about learning and adapting. What works for one garden may not work for another. Always consider the specific needs of your plants and the balance of your garden's ecosystem before introducing new elements. Happy and healthy gardening. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information useful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. See you in the next video.